I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're a puzzle lover, then this is your must-have puzzle accessory. It is a roll-up puzzle mat from Pohxev. This thing is amazing. It's perfect for a person like me who often sits down to finish a puzzle, but typically can't finish it in one setting. This mat allows you to roll up the puzzle, keep it nice and safe, and then roll it right back out when it's time to puzzle again. This mat is nice and large. It fits anywhere from a 500-piece puzzle all the way to a 2,000-piece puzzle. But you don't have to limit yourself. We like to do smaller puzzles on here too because it just provides a really nice, smooth surface to do any size puzzle. Everybody has their own way to puzzle, and for me, I like to start with the edge pieces. So my very favorite feature of this puzzle mat is the fact that it has a border dotted outline for different size puzzles that allows me to start my edges right away with a beautiful outline knowing right where to place my pieces. But basically, you utilize the firm foam piece that comes with it and you roll it up nice and tightly. It comes with Velcro straps that helps keep it secure and in place. When it was time to unroll my puzzle, it came out beautifully. This does come with a carrying bag too, so if you like to puzzle on the go, this would be a great option. This puzzle mat would make a great gift for any puzzle lover too. So if you're looking for a high quality puzzle mat that allows you to take your puzzle, work on it now, and maybe save a little bit for later too, I would definitely check this one out. But that's just my point of view.